Move up, pussy nigga never wanna do nothing. The Civic was fast and alarming. Gang gang. Shout out my niggas, they know who they is. Juice. Hey, your homies gon' say what you in for. Now how you gon' snitch on your kinfolk? You rockin' the latest designer, get robbed for your chain, man, that's something we into. The 40's been raising some pages, y'all niggas been waiting, y'all know what I'm into. I'm talking a lot, but y'all niggas don't listen, I swear that y'all trippin', I'm into. Switch up the vision on niggas, watch how I'm living on niggas. Ooh, ooh, tight, I'm not trippin' on niggas. Look how I'm drippin', little bitches, move, move. I'm on a mission of sinning, all of the diamonds, they fit it. Woo, woo, wait till I cash it, go get it. Blow by the stack on my fit it, you, new. Bitch, I'm the greatest, don't say again. Next time you talk, I'ma slay a friend. Picture me rolling in sacred pens. Shout out to niggas that think we friends. Killing this shit, we gon' say a prayer.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Jose the Barber. And we back with another one. Man, today, well, just now, I received a notification that I received my Snorkel LED lights. And yo, we got them. So, we are gonna be installing them hopefully today. And see how they look. And hopefully it looks good. But yeah, let's unbox this real quick. Hopefully they're easy to install. I heard you gotta remove the whole bumper again. I think I got irritated the first time, but hopefully we don't have to, right? But here they are. Snorkel LED lights. And they're smoked, so they're gonna look so good. Let me see what I can get. It's an open one. Take them out. A little dusty. I thought they were gonna be a little heavier than this, but you know. But hey, hopefully they're easy to install, and we're gonna have probably my boy Kevon 905 help me install them today. Hopefully he's not, you know, being too complicated, since sometimes he doesn't want to do jobs or anything. He doesn't want to work on cars, but you know, he knows his lifestyle. But yeah, these are really, I can't wait. Like, these are really dope. The Diamond just picked up a green Scat, so congrats, bro. And it's really, that color is sexy as hell. And hopefully he comes out today too. And why not? He's doing YouTube videos. I gotta find out his YouTube channel name. I don't really know it, but man, huge shout out to him. I'll put his YouTube channel in the description so you guys could check him out too. And we just need my boy Kevon 905 to start recording, start vlogging or something. That nigga's going crazy with his car, and at this moment he's getting something done to it in Kenosha, Wisconsin. So, you know, let's see what he gets done. What's up, man? It's your boy Jose the Barber. How y'all doing, man? And today, this morning, we gonna go. Well, I drove. I'm already here. My bad. To my friend's shop to install these Snorkel LED lights, because it was a hazard to even take off the bumper, and I gotta redo that again. So yeah, no, I ain't happy no more. But overall, they're gonna hook me up putting these LEDs snorkels in, and then my USB ports on the middle console don't work, so I'm gonna have them see if they could fix it. I'm pretty sure they can, right? So yeah, and today is a special day. You know, my girl's birthday is today. I'm gonna go talk to my friends and see how long I'm gonna have to wait for, because man, I'm gonna sit and wait. But yeah, guys, so what's up, man? And yes, we installed them after probably an hour, because they were, you know, having problems with the wires and whatnot. But man, look, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys. Let me see. They turned on like this. It's pretty dope though. Came to work to the shop. But yeah, here they are, man. Man, it looks so good. Right now. Yes, sir. But yeah, I mean, they turn signal works and everything, so I'm happy, man. I'm glad. Car's kind of dirty, not really, right? But yeah, guys, I mean, today that was it for this beauty. And then to my next beauty, my girl, we're gonna surprise her with a little lunch, breakfast, whatever you want to say. Well, it's kind of like a lunch. It's a restaurant. It's the Fogo de Chao, the one I had mentioned earlier. So yeah, it's not that bad. So yeah, y'all see me with them boots. Anyways, yes, I work in some office suites. My shop, I opened it there just because, you know, we all gotta start somewhere with something, you feel me? So, and I'm pretty sure you guys haven't seen it. Well, not too sure, but you guys will today. Here you go. And then, you always gotta have people knocking, because they always were knocking, so. Yeah, here it is, guys. Here it is. It's decent. Something a little slight. I am currently painting the walls, but you know, this is it. This is a shop. This is where I work. My guy Jeffrey works here, but I'm cutting in here. Looks pretty dope. Really clean. I'm exhausted. It was hot as hell. I'm over here sweating. Damn. But yeah, guys. I'm gonna get these quick cuts in, and then from there, I'm gonna take my girl to her surprise. So yeah.